QBTS stock analysis and QBTS stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. So D-Wave Quantum is sitting at $8.39 and it is 10% down. And just observing this, it's still a bullish chart for me. When I say bullish chart, people think that I'm just gonna randomly start placing buys everywhere, but that's not the point. I mean, for context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years. Thousands of dollars in course cemeteries have been spent, and I've documented all of it. But in this specifically, these are my last 3 predictions, all of them documented. Actually 4, but one was like a break even, so that's one thing. And now, yeah, we're pulling back down exactly in my demand area, and the only thing left is this double break. And if I don't see it, I will just not buy it. That's literally it. So let me come here. Let's go here to the 30-minute chart. Right, if I see this double break, then only then I'll buy. Like everything else in the meantime, after this is pure noise. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.